Is your WooCommerce store looking a bit generic? Want a pro-looking shop in minutes? Let's use the ShopLentor Product Grid. First things first, let's activate the power. Head over to your WordPress dashboard, go to ShopLentor, then Settings, and click on the Elements tab. Find the Product Grid widget, toggle it on, and hit Save Settings. You're officially ready to go. Now, open your page with Elementor. In the widget search bar, simply type Product Grid. Look for the one with the WL badge. That's our secret sauce. Just drag it and drop it exactly where you want your products to shine. This is where the magic happens. In the Content tab, you can choose from multiple professional layouts or even enable Ajax filtering for a seamless experience. Use the query settings to show your best sellers, new arrivals, or specific categories. You can even add a slider or customize your Add to Cart button to match your store's unique vibe. Let's make it look premium. Go to the Style tab to tweak your typography, colors, and spacing. Add some hover effects or box shadows to give your products that high-end professional feel that builds trust with your customers. And just like that, you've transformed your store from basic to brilliant, all without a single line of code. Elevate your WooCommerce game with ShopLentor today. Thanks for watching.
To grow your business with more great videos, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Has Themes on YouTube.